If you have gritty beard butter, this video is here to help you fix it. My name is Dan C. Bearded, and I'm making this video for Dr. Nick's Amazing Man Stuff, and I want to tell you guys why this is happening, and then a very simple fix to get this butter back to the smooth consistency in which it was made and left the facility. Now let's begin with a reality. Most of you, to receive this beard butter, need it shipped to your home, your P.O. box, your work, wherever you receive packages, and unfortunately, that shipping process is out of the control of the company making these products. They ship it out, it goes onto a carrier truck, and unfortunately, oftentimes those carrier trucks are very warm, especially in the summer months, especially the longer the trip, especially the warmer the climate. And what that will do is it will melt down the beard butter. Now, melting beard butter is not a problem or an issue whatsoever. It doesn't hurt the product, it doesn't harm the performance. We just start to see an issue, and I don't even like the word issue for this, maybe a small inconvenience when it starts to cool slowly again. So let's break down what's happening here. Essentially, you have all these wonderful oil and butter ingredients in here that work really well together, but when they melt, they become this liquid goodness that's all together. And then if it's in a truck, if it's sitting in your house at room temperature when it was melted, it's gonna slowly start to cool and solidify. Well, the different ingredients in here are going to solidify at different temperatures. And even within the ingredients, let's say something like shea butter, it has all these different fatty acid profiles that have their own solidification or cooling point. And so as it starts to cool, some of them are going to group together and make a little solid over here while the rest of it is still liquid, and then more are going to happen. And what that can do is cause a little bit of micro grit. Instead of just being like a stick of butter smooth, it just gives you a little bit of texture and a little bit of body to it. Now again, that is not a problem. It performs the exact same way. It melts down so quickly and so easily. But we do know that some people really like to have just that super ridiculously smooth and soft butter where they don't want any of that texture. Well, luckily for you, there's a very simple way on how to fix this. All you're gonna do, since this is plastic, there's no metal on the labels, is you're gonna take the lid off, you're gonna put it into your microwave, and you're gonna, I don't know if we want to use the word cook it, we don't heat it, we're gonna melt it in increments of about 10 to 15 seconds. 10 on the safe side, 15 if you're feeling froggy. So go for 10 seconds, take it out, take a little knife or some kind of mixing tool, mix it up a little bit, put it back in, keep doing that until it's fully liquid. When I do it, it usually takes 4 to 5 times of going through that rotation. Now, once it's fully liquid, you are going to take that butter and you're gonna place it either in your freezer or your fridge. Freezer is preferred, but fridge will get the job done fine. And all you're gonna do is let it sit there. It's now gonna solidify, but it's gonna solidify quickly and it's gonna solidify together, and that should remove all the grit that you are experiencing. Once it's done, you can take it out at room temperature, put the lid on it, and you should be golden. You should have no worries there whatsoever. If that's still not solving it, if you still have issues, please reach out to Dr. Nick's. They would be happy to make this right for you guys and kind of learn from this experience. Almost all the butters, 80 to 90% of the butters they ship out are arriving perfectly. But there is a 10 to 20% chance where it is melting. It is sitting in a truck for 2 days on this shipping process where this can happen. And we want to make sure you guys have the ability to fix it yourself or be able to reach out and share your concerns if you have any. So thank you guys for watching today. Please make sure you check out the Dr. Nick's Amazing Man Stuff Instagram page, this YouTube channel, and the website. We appreciate everything that you guys do for these beard products, for the beard community, and just everyone in general. Thank you guys. Please experience the Dr. Nick's difference.